Hello everyone, welcome to Sujitra's online reading channel. Many a times when we visit a doctor, we come back with a prescription of vitamin tablets and no antibiotics. It leaves us confused, isn't it? Here's why. Why do they prescribe them at some times but not at others, and for one patient but not the next? Antibiotics have been extremely effective and often life saving in the treatment of some infectious diseases, but they don't cure all illnesses and can sometimes even cause significant medical problems. Therefore, it is important that antibiotics are taken properly. Antibiotics are medicines that help stop infections caused by bacteria. They do this by killing the bacteria or by keeping them from copying themselves or reproducing. The word antibiotic means against life. Any drug that kills germs in your body is technically an antibiotic, but overuse has led to antibacterial resistance. Bacteria adapt over time and become superbacteria or superbugs. They change so that antibiotics no longer work on them. They pose a big threat because there aren't any medicines to kill them. Antibiotics are prescribed when appropriate but are not used when dealing with a viral infection where the medication will not help and has the potential for significant harm. While it is tempting for individuals to look for a quick and easy cure when ill, more often than not, antibiotics are definitely not the answer. Antibiotics typically are effective against bacteria but not against viruses. Therefore, antibiotics do not help in viral illnesses such as flu and colds. Even bronchitis is most commonly viral, although researchers are attempting to develop new categories of drugs to combat viral diseases. Few drugs are currently available. Clinicians use clinical history, examination, and laboratory tests to distinguish between viral and bacterial infections. Clinicians may use cultures from the throat, sputum, urine, blood, or wound to identify the bacteria along with its antibiotic sensitivity. This information helps the clinician choose an antibiotic that will be effective. Antibiotics can also create complications for our body like allergic reactions. You can develop an allergy at any time, even if you have safely used the antibiotic in the past. Prior use of an antibiotic is not a guarantee that a person will not develop an allergic response. Antibiotics cannot distinguish between normal body bacteria and disease causing bacteria. The result is often a disturbance in the natural balance of organisms, which may lead to severe diarrhea or more commonly yeast vaginitis in women. Other complications may arise from the side effects of certain antibiotics, such as severe gastrointestinal upset, sun sensitivity, and other issues. Many people mistakenly believe that people can get used to an antibiotic. This is not the case, but bacteria can develop resistance to an antibiotic. The more antibiotics are used, the more resistance is evident. Some bacteria are resistant to all known antibiotics. Antibiotic resistance has become a major concern. The best way to protect yourself and your body is to trust your doctor when he says you don't need antibiotics. Don't skip doses and take them only as directed by the doctor. That's for today. Hope you found this information useful. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel for more such updates. Thank you. Bye bye. This is Sujitra.